Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest and greatest in home technology. Today, we're diving into the future of cleaning with our top 5 robot vacuums of 2024. These innovative machines are redefining household chores, offering convenience and efficiency like never before. From smart navigation to powerful suction and sleek designs, we've handpicked the best robotic vacuums that are making cleaning a breeze. Join us as we delve into this robotic revolution, discovering the models that will transform your home cleaning routine. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with the latest tech reviews. Find the links to these advanced robot vacuums in the description below, and let's explore the future of cleaning together. Starting at number 5, the Lidsto DB2 Robot Vacuum is a versatile cleaning assistant designed for thorough cleaning tasks. Its auto dust collection, mopping, and drying capabilities, combined with 5,000 pascals suction power and 12 in pressure, ensure an efficient clean on various surfaces. The auto hot water cleaning and drying mop feature removes dirt effectively and prevents odors. The LDS 2.0 navigation radar creates smart maps for efficient cleaning paths. The carpet mode intelligently avoids wetting carpets and increases suction power for deeper cleaning. Its app-controlled customization, including multi-map management and virtual barriers, allows users to personalize their cleaning routines. For users seeking a powerful, customizable cleaning solution with advanced mopping and suction capabilities, the Lidsto DB2 Auto Wash Wet and Dry Vacuum is an excellent choice for maintaining a spotless home. At number 4, the ABIR X8 Robot Vacuum Cleaner redefines cleaning with its advanced features. Crafted from high-quality ABS material, this cleaner guarantees durability. Its navigation system, comprising dual laser, SLAM, and TOF Wisdom navigation, ensures precise and efficient cleaning paths. With 6,500 pascals max suction power and a 360 ml dustbin capacity, it adeptly tackles surfaces, offering a cleaning area of up to 200 square meters. The I-shaped wet mopping mode and 3-level water adjustment optimize its mopping capabilities. The standout TOF Wisdom sensor, equipped with dual eyes, provides accurate distance measurement and intelligent visual recognition, enhancing its efficiency. The ABIR X8, with its innovative sensor technology and comprehensive cleaning modes, promises a thorough and intelligent cleaning experience. Plus, its extensive 3-year warranty reflects confidence in its durability and performance. At number 3, the Roborock S7 Max Ultra Robot Vacuum is a powerhouse, combining cutting-edge features for comprehensive cleaning. Its all-in-one docking system, RockDock Ultra, enables a hands-free experience complemented by self-drying, self-washing, and self-emptying functionalities. The 5,500 pascals extreme suction power, coupled with the Viberizer mopping system, guarantees thorough cleaning. The auto mop lifting feature intelligently adjusts the mop according to the floor type, ensuring efficient mopping without leaving unwanted stains. Its reactive tech obstacle avoidance and PreciSense LiDAR navigation provide smart, obstacle-free cleaning paths and detailed home maps. Voice control compatibility and off-peak charging support further enhance its convenience and efficiency. For those seeking a comprehensive intelligent cleaning solution, the Roborock S7 Max Ultra Robot Vacuum stands out for its thoroughness, smart navigation, and adaptability to different floor types. At number 2, the ABIR R30 Robot Vacuum Cleaner, armed with a 35,000 pascals super suction power, is a powerhouse in home cleaning. Its 8th-generation laser and SLAM navigation ensures swift and accurate mapping, facilitating efficient cleaning paths. Equipped with 15 cleaning modes and software-based virtual barriers, it adapts to various cleaning needs and floor types. This vacuum's dual LiDAR laser system and 360-degree full-view scanning enable precise room mapping in seconds, simplifying cleaning tasks. Its multi-map saving feature is a boon for multi-floor homes. The inclusion of different cleaning modes, from edge cleaning to deep cleaning, ensures a thorough clean in varied areas. Additionally, its silent cleaning mode makes it an unobtrusive yet effective cleaning companion. Ideal for users seeking powerful suction, advanced navigation, and customizable cleaning options. The ABIR R30 Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a robust choice for versatile home cleaning needs. At number 1, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum redefines home cleaning with its comprehensive features. Its all-in-one docking system, RockDock Ultra, eliminates post-cleanup maintenance hassles. The self-washing, self-drying, and self-emptying capabilities make it truly hands-free. With 6,000 pascals suction power and the dual-roller riser brush, it's a champ in sweeping away debris, while the Vibrease 2.0 mopping system ensures sparkling floors. The PressaSense LiDAR navigation system, combined with reactive 3D obstacle avoidance, ensures meticulous navigation. This vacuum's versatility shines through its ability to handle multiple floors with ease, thanks to the multi-level mapping system. Custom cleaning routines, no-go zones, and a 3D mapping feature enable users to fine-tune their cleaning schedules. The fast charging capability and off-peak charging support enhance its efficiency. Plus, its ability to recognize specific cleaning tasks, like quiet mopping, makes it suitable for varied lifestyles. Ideal for those seeking hassle-free, comprehensive cleaning. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum stands out for its advanced technology and unmatched convenience.